So today is, oh, what is today?
September 5th.
Today is September 5th, and I have my Canadian accent, or just my speech problem, okay? So I'm going to read out of the Lyme Disease Survival Guide the same excerpt from before. Okay? Lyme disease and its co-infections are special little suckers. Unlike the treatment of other pathogens, they demand your undivided attention. Due to the mess they make of your body, there's always so much cleanup and trying to get things back in order, because the pathogens party hard and invite 2,000 of their closest infectious friends over whenever possible, as they tear down the house that is your body. It was that good, Mom? Was that good?